All right, and we are back with Katie Young, our fantastic ASL interpreter, and our special guest, Ryan Brostad. Ryan, please give us an introduction.
Yeah, sure. Thanks so much for having us today. So Ryan Brostad, I'm part of the product marketing team for Amazon Connect.
All right,
And
so you're the person we want to talk to. Now, we have a lot of folks in watching, tuning in, maybe for the first time. Can you give us a little bit of background? What is Amazon Connect, and what's so cool about it?
yeah, of course. So Amazon Connect is a cloud-based contact center that works across multiple channels. So voice, chat, text. It's which means that it's omni-channel, and so it all works in kind of one single system. So what exactly is a contact center? The contact center, it's a technology that has been around for well over 40 years. And you can think about it as the tools and infrastructure that drive customer service, support, and customer experience. So like when you might call an insurance company to get a quote and you talk to an agent, or you might call a credit card company to upgrade your card. It is that technology that drives those connections and allows you to kind of get whatever you need serviced by the company.
So, Ryan, a couple of features launched today around Amazon Connect. Can you just take us through what those features are?
Yeah, absolutely. So this week it's been a really exciting week for the Connect team, and we've been around since 2017. We were actually built and based on our own internal contact center technology, which powers our retail business. We've since we launched, we've had incredible customer momentum, especially over the past year and a half when we've all kind of been remote. But the team has been working tirelessly, and we launched 3 new capabilities this week, which we're really excited to dig into and share with everyone. So the first one is fraud detection and authorization, which we call Amazon Connect Voice ID, which essentially uses machine learning to ensure that you are the actual person you are when you call into a contact center. So it's a great security feature that we've added to Amazon Connect. The second capability we've added is Agent Assist. So Agent Assist empowers agents that are servicing customers, pulls together relevant information, data, documents in real time based on the conversation using machine learning, so that agents can better serve customer needs more quickly and more easily. And then the final capability that we launched this week is called high volume outbound communications. And so this is the ability for a contact center to communicate with the millions of customers that they have. And they can do that now kind of in that same omni-channel way through text, emails, and calls. And it's really helpful for contact centers to help customers with things like appointment reminders, sales offers, customer surveys, and things like that. And so, yeah, those are the 3 things that we launched this week, and we're excited to share more here.
Exciting.
Yeah, one of the things that really strikes me about Connect, we've spoken to service team members from the Connect team several times on this show, but the thing that keeps jumping out at me is just, I think it's very easy to take some of these incremental steps for granted, but take a look at where we are right now, right? Because call centers, just zooming out, call centers used to be, like you said, Ryan, this is a key part of customer relations for so many different companies, so many different industries. But the problem is that historically, it's been very capital intensive to get a really good call center experience off the ground. And what I love about Connect is the fact that we've taken the same kind of pay-as-you-go model, zero upfront commitment, and we blended it with a whole bunch of these awesome AI-powered technologies like Agent Assist and Voice ID, and the service just seems to be getting better and better at such a rapid clip.
Yep. Yeah, absolutely. Really, when we think about what drove us to build this internally was when we looked at the solutions that were out there. They were really hard to configure, hard to manage. They didn't scale to the needs that we needed. They didn't have that flexibility to innovate and keep up with the customer demand. And really at the end, they were also extremely expensive. And Connect effectively we've solved all of those problems, which means that with the solution, with these capabilities, it can scale very easily from 10 to tens of thousands of agents to serve all those customer needs that might come up periodically, depending on seasonality or what have you. So it's also very easy for business users to be able to configure it and take advantage of some of these innovations. And it's all with pay-as-you-go pricing. So with Connect, there are no long-term contracts, there are no maintenance agreements, there are no kind of like binding contracts in any way. So companies and our customers only pay for the services that they use, which is very much in line with many of our other AWS services. And so it's been really exciting. We've had some rapid growth, and we continue to innovate based on our customer needs and what they're requesting to serve their customers.
Yeah, absolutely.
We're still going to hear so much about the features, but as I was hearing about them this week, it's those kind of features, once you experience them, you're not going to want to go back. I'm thinking of Voice ID. Once you do that to verify yourself, why would you want to go back to being asked all of those questions? So very excited to hear about the details later on today.